Here's how to enable missing high performance plan in Windows 10 or 11. So this setting helps you improve your computer's performance. So in order to enable or find it, first open your command prompt as an administrator on your device, search for CMD or command prompt directly, then tap on Run as administrator and give administrative privileges. Once the window is opened, you need to go ahead, then simply paste this command on your command prompt and hit enter on your keyboard. Now search for Edit Power Plan in the Windows search bar. In the Power Options window, you should see the High Performance option. Go to Change Advanced Power Setting and tap on this drop-down menu and you'll get 3 different options of Balanced, High Performance, which is Active, and Power Saver. Go ahead, select High Performance and then tap on OK and select it to enable High Performance Power Plan on your computer. Now tap on OK and apply and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.